Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on Photoshop Express. Also, I wonder why you want to create an account on Photoshop Express. Maybe you want to create different kind of art through your pictures, or you just want to use it to make your pictures better, or maybe you have heard a lot about this app so you just want to give it a try, or it could be any other reason for you. So in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Photoshop Express, and if you have not installed it then you can still install it. After that, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. At the bottom we have option next. You just have to keep clicking on it until we get onto something useful, because it is showing you all about the app, so you just have to keep clicking on next. And there, once you get on this option, it will ask you for permission. You can either allow it or you can just deny. It's all up to you. And after that, you have to enter your email address. You could use your Gmail, your Apple account, and your Facebook account to create. You just have to simply click any one of these options, whatever you prefer. You have to tap on it, and after that you have to provide your email address of choice. After that, it will take you to this page where it will ask you if you have an existing account or not. So if you don't have an existing account, then you have to go with the first option, which means you don't have any account. But if you have an account, then you have to go with the second option, but we have to click on the first option because we are here to create account. So just simply tap on first option. Now here it will ask you for your some of personal information, so you have to add your personal information here. First, you have to upload your first name. After that, you have to upload your surname, or you could say second name. After that, you have to upload your date of birth, in which you have to upload the year in which you were born and the month in which you were born. And at the bottom you could see a checkbox. You have to simply click on it, and then you have to click on blue option, which is continue, and then it will just take a while. After that, it will ask you to allow it to get to your photos, so you have to allow it because it's a photo editing app, so therefore we have to allow it. And after that, your account will be ready. Now you can use it, can make different kind of photos, like you can do photo editing, can improve the quality of your photos. It also has an AI option through which you can create photos from text to image. So as you can see, it was this simple to create account on Photoshop Express. If you follow all the instructions that are being done in this video, you can also easily create your account on this app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create your account on Photoshop Express. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.